issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montmorency County in northern Michigan until 3:45 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hebden, or 10 miles northwest of Atlanta, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Atlanta, Canada Creek Ranch, and Greeley Township around 3:05 p.m. Royston around 3:20 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Clear Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Montmorency, Michigan.
Well, there you have it. Another not for us, south of us. It's really coming down. A little stifling in the truck. Anyway, we're on number 6. I'll have to upload all these shorts this evening because I don't have enough service to do so where we're at. So we'll see if this short gets to be played or not with me recording that weather alert. We'll find out. Couple more loads to go. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a great day. God bless. So this is a continuation from yesterday. I forgot to upload the shorts when I got home. Got wrapped up with paperwork, supper, and whatnot. So, brought in a few more loads this morning. They moved boundaries of the barn, or shifted it over a little bit. So now he's got to put a little extra on one side. So before I leave, I'm going to make sure we have enough this time. Come on. Appreciate you watching.